everyone, welcome to, I can't number, 104, 103, 104, I think. I don't know. Welcome to Cubone. One of my favorite Pokemon, I had Pokemon cards back in the days. Okay, so my brother had his Pokemon cards at school and got to trade them with friends, and it was great. I was so excited when I went into kindergarten to be able to, trade my Pokemon cards with people, and they were banned the first day of school. So I did not get the Pokemon card experience. If they caught you with them, they would take them. They would not give them back. There was nothing you could do about it, and I was too poor to rebuy my Pokemon cards if anyone took them, so I didn't ever do that. But occasionally someone would, throw away a Pokemon card or just, lose one on the ground, and then it was mine. And that wasn't trading, so it was technically okay, but... So my second Pokemon card I ever got, my first one was a Squirtle that someone didn't like for whatever reason. They tore it into 4 pieces and then taped it back together, and then decided they didn't want it and threw it away, so that was mine. And then my second was a Cubone that was also in the trash. I don't know who it was just throwing away their Pokemon cards, but I know I have this problem with inanimate objects, or if, something's thrown away that just doesn't deserve to be thrown away, I feel immensely sorry for it, and I have to take care of it, and that thing's mine now, I have a lot of those stupid, Crunchyroll pull string bags from conventions, because people keep throwing them away, and they're good bags that don't deserve to be thrown away. My second Pokemon card was a Cubone that, he's standing out in a starry night in a field, just looking up at the stars and crying. And I kind of tried to get that kind of mood with this guy, because I know that's kind of the general feeling I always got from Cubone was that Pokemon card. I don't know, my first impression, my strongest impression of this guy. I mean, I know in the anime they went less sad with him and more just look, he throws a bone and it's cool, but I know there's a pretty story there. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great time. Yes. Bye.